Alright, again, I am Hazel Garrig, and today I will be giving my literary analysis about the movie that I chosen, which is The Rewind, and it's somehow famous during a year of 2023, which is directed by May Cruz Alviar, and it was led by Mr. Ding Dong Dantes and Ms. Marian Rivera. So this movie blends elements of fantasy, romance, and moral reflection into a story about regret, redemption, and the weight of choices. So its narrative follows John, which is Mr. Ding Dong Dantes, who is given the miraculous chance to rewind time after losing his wife, which is Mary, Marian Rivera, due to his negligence and emotional absence in their marriage. The climax and the resolution of the film hinge on how he uses the supernatural opportunity and whether he can truly change the outcome. So, as we all know, in analyzing this literary analysis, we only focus on uh, ending of the story. So, diba, there are six types of ending. So, during my reflection or analysis about this movie, I have chosen these two type of ending, which is the resolve and unexpected. So, while you are listening in my analysis, you will understand why I choose that two specific types of ending. So, so the movie Rewind hits hard because of the way it plays with our expectations. At first, it feels like a typical fantasy drama where magic might fix everything. John, the husband, loses his wife, Mary, because of his own failures. He wasn't present, he didn't appreciate her, and he took their love for granted. Then suddenly, she's given the impossible chance or miraculous chance, just what I'm telling Aganiha, to rewind time. So naturally, we expect happy ending, 'di ba? So, kanang like he fixed everything, kanang yung mistake na nabuhat, then save niya si Mary and they live happily ever after. And that is the common nga kanang ending of the story which is resolved. But let me tell you why it is unexpected also type of ending. So, So now I will be explaining why the ending of the movie Rewind is resolved. So even though Mary's death can't be stopped, the story still feels complete. Why? Because John changes. Because John changes. Period. Okay. He learns to love better, to be present, and to finally see Mary for the gift she was in his life. The resolution isn't about writing fate, but about writing himself. So basically, it's not about the fate or kanang destiny or mahitabuan ng tayma, but kanang resolve siya it's because gi-change niya iyang kaugalingon, not the kanang mismo the actual death but also iyang kaugalingon. That was makes the ending feel resolved. So John gets closure, and so we do as our viewers also. He doesn't get his wife back, but he gains something deeper. The wisdom to finally live with gratitude and love. So, di ba gipakita man dito sa movie nga even though nag-change siya, pero dili na to ma-change ang destiny nga if a person is mamatay gid siya. So, that story rewind, na tawag siya closure, it's because ni-change siya sa himself para maka-learn siya sa iyang mistake o ma-change niya iyang mistake nga naa pa iyang wife agatong buhi pa. So now I will be explaining why the movie Rewind is unexpected, because as I see that the whole movie is kanang dili jud ko dali ka get over, it's because makita yun ako siya as resolve and happy ending ang may tabo, but unfortunately it's not kanang dili siya kanang gi-expect nako nga ending. So kuan mo ko nga viewer, I'm more into kanang happy ending and I'm not into kanang mga tragic or sad nga ending kay di jud ko fan ana. Pero here's why, and I will explain to you why is it unexpected. So but here where it is surprise us, okay? So nanong ma-surprise ta, nanong unexpected siya. So most people expect the rewind to be magically fix everything. Sama sa akong gi-imagine. Then that's what story usually do when time travel or miracles are involved. So pag na mga miracles or mga time travels kay expect yung tangan nindot jud ang ending kay because ma-change gud niya, 'di ba? Pero this movie doesn't change at all. Na siya kanang specific nga nahitabo nanong unexpected siya. So instead, the movie tells us no, you can't cheat destiny or you can change the destiny. So that is real. So loss is real. And sometimes, no matter how badly you want to, you can change what already happened. And that is why nanong unexpected siya. The twist hurts. Sama sa akong na-feel as I watch that movie. But it also feels more honest. The unexpected part is that the real miracle isn't saving Mary's life, it is changing John's heart. So, why is why nanong unexpected siya? It's because atong time nga kanang okay na, 'di ba, namatay si Mary is 3 p.m. And then katong time nga before ang accident kitagaan siya og kanang miraculous time travel sa usa ka kanang purag kana siyang gi-use siya ni God as kanang tool para matagaan og kanang chance si John nga mo change sa iyang mga negligence or mga mistakes nga iyang nabuhat kay Mary. So wala pa'y katong kuan katong during sa play sa iyang anak which is piano, gi-expect nami nga basin maluoy si God or kanang dili na niya ipadayon ang death ni Mary, but it's not happen at all. Kay during that time 3 p.m. exactly is namatay po si John. Why namatay si John? It's because ang pagkamatay ni Mary is real. Okay? So, why unexpected? Kay mabuhi si Mary, na chance mabuhi si Mary, but also naay kapalit nga mo represent or naay tao nga mupuli sa kamatayon ni Mary, and that is real. That is real and loss is real also. So atong time is na change naman si John. So iyang self na lang ang iyang gisacrifice kaysa ni Mary. It's because makita man niya nga Mary is okay, like katong gipakita sa clip nga iyang anak is magkapamilya pod and Mary is na po siya grandson, and that's the story is unexpected because wala taga-expect nga si John mo'y mupuli sa side ni Mary. We expect nga si Mary gyapon mamatay or naslay happy ending, but it's not. It's John's sacrifices and John's kanang changing heart is it makes the story unexpected. And that is my analysis of the movie Rewind.